Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So if your Windows 11 laptop or desktop is working very laggy or working very slow, in this video I will share 3 methods you can apply. So let's start with our method 1. Disable all the startup applications. So for this you have to press Control key, Shift key and Skip key. So you have to press all the 3 keys together to open the task manager like this. Okay, now click on this startup tab. So these are the startup applications in your system. So you have to disable all the startup applications by right click on it, then select disable. So disable all the startup applications. This is your first step. Now move on to our next step. Run the disk cleanup. For this, click on the Windows icon or you can click on this search icon. Now here type disk cleanup. You will see this option here, disk cleanup. Click on it. Now here, click on this option, clean up system files. Wait for a few seconds. Now here, tick all the options. Okay, so these are the temporary and unnecessary files in your system. So you have to delete all the unnecessary files from your system. Select all the options, then click on OK. And this will permanently delete all the junk files from your system. Click on delete files. That's it. Now move on to the final step. Click on the Windows icon or click on this search box again, search icon again. Now here type View Advanced System Settings. You will see this option here, View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now here click on this Advanced tab. In the Performance column, click on this Settings option. Now here you have 4 options. Select the third one, Adjust for the best performance. Select this option and after that tick these 5 features, enable these 5 features. That's it. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Click on OK. That's it. So these are the 3 steps you can apply to increase your Windows 11 performance. That's it for the video. Thank you.